Ankit.
Hello guys, my name is Elitangi and today I am going to tell you about UPSC. Okay, the first of all, the full form of UPSC is Union Public Service Commission, and every year more than 11 or 12 lakh people fill the form of for UPSC, but only 1,500 people can become the IAS, IPS like that. So the craze of UPSC is very high. As you see that in every 1,000 people, more than 200 people want to become an IAS, IPS and IAS officer. Just because UPSC is the biggest civil exam in India, and if you are preparing for UPSC, so you may have to study for 10, 12 and maybe 15 hours also, just because the craze is very high. When you see in UPSC, there will be three exams. First is mains 2 and pre 2, and there will be one interview also. And if you pass in first mains, so you will be able to give mains 2, and if you pass in mains 2, so then you will be able to give pre-exam. And in pre-exam, only some person able to pass, and after that you will be able to give your interview. And if you pass an interview, so you will get a post of IPS, IPS and IAS. And the biggest post in UPSC is IAS. I think that's all about it.